Vegan Cheesehead here at Ikea for my first sequel. Ikea Part 1 was about their Swedish veggie balls. Ikea Part 2 is all about the veggie dog. This product is only available at the cafe area between the register and the exit. This dog is a combination of kale, carrots, red lentils, quinoa, onions, ginger, and turmeric. Ikea's veggie dogs received a 95% approval rating at the test location in Malmö, Sweden, which meant an immediate global launch. These dogs produce 7 times less greenhouse gases than meat hot dogs. They contain 0 cholesterol and are 25 cents cheaper than meat. Some veggie-based proteins try to imitate the flavor and texture of meat. Ikea does not. They have created their own delicious and unique version of a veggie dog. Toppings include fried onions, red pickled cabbage, and Dijon mustard. Thanks for watching. Sharing is caring. Go to ikea.com for a location near you and visit vegancheesehead.com for more.